Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to render out this kind of movie in Unreal Engine 4. So first of all, I got this simple scene and I want to render this out with some camera movement. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Cinematic directory and drag and drop this Cine camera actor. Now just rotate it and get a proper camera angle. So now what I'm going to do next is add a level sequence under the cinematics icon. So you can just click it, and so let's name it. I'm going to call it scene, actually a new scene. You can save it wherever you want. Now you're going to see your new sequencer window. And now I'm going to add the camera I just created into this sequencer. So now we got this Cine camera actor 4 now. And then after you check out your camera name and add an actor to sequencer and select that camera. And now we're pretty ready to tweak this camera movement or whatever you want. So basically you can select the attribute you want to key and hit S key to key this on. You can move the camera like that, select the transform attribute and hit S again. That's kind of simple. I get this kind of smooth camera movement. Not only the transform attribute, you can key a lot of things like the depth of field, focus distance, and if you select this camera component, there is a lot of things you can tweak, and you can see this small icon, and that is actually the things you can key. You can just simply click this thing to add a keyframe on that component. So if you keyed everything and you're pretty ready to render this out, just you can close this and select this. You don't actually have to select that. Just I'm gonna add a new camera cut track. You can see camera cuts. Here's some icon. Looks like a plus camera. You can just add a camera you just created. Now we got our camera cuts. We're pretty ready to render this out. You can just select this camera cuts and click this render icon. There's a lot of settings. For format, I want to use video sequence, but you can use image sequence or custom render passes. Frame rate 30, and you can tweak the resolution. I want a full HD this time, and there's a lot of things. And you can just change the file name if you want. If you want as frame the frame number in a file name, when you're using an image sequence, you can just type something like dot frame, and there's things you can use, but I want to use a simple name like that. There's a lot of settings. And you can tweak the end frame and start frame, and if you're ready, just capture the movie and save selected. Now you can preview the master rendering now. I'm back with the render result, and it looks pretty nice. I think it can be a great alternative if you're using another 3D software like Maya, 3ds Max, whatever. It's faster than Arnold or V-Ray, but it has pretty nice quality. So anyway, that was how to render out movies in Unreal Engine 4. If you liked it, please leave a comment, and thanks for watching.